Apple's next flagship is already generating intense discussion, and this time the biggest rumor is not about the camera or processor. It is about the price. According to the latest reports from industry analysts, the upcoming iPhone 18 Pro could cost significantly more than its predecessor, with some estimates suggesting a jump of as much as $250 to $300. If those predictions prove accurate, Apple's premium smartphone could start around $1,400, making it one of the most expensive mainstream smartphones the company has ever released. After months of tracking supply chain reports, analyst predictions, and manufacturing updates, the picture is becoming much clearer. While Apple has yet to officially confirm any specifications or pricing, the growing consensus among reliable industry insiders points toward a September launch with several meaningful hardware upgrades accompanied by a substantial increase in cost. That combination has left many potential buyers wondering whether the newest iPhone will actually justify its premium price, or whether purchasing the current generation will be the smarter decision. Apple's release schedule has remained remarkably consistent for well over a decade. Every year, the company introduces its newest iPhones during the first half of September before opening pre-orders a few days later and shipping devices the following week. Based on Apple's historical pattern and the timing of Labor Day this year, many analysts expect the keynote to take place on Wednesday, September 9. Bloomberg's Mark Gurman has also suggested September 8 or September 9 as the most likely announcement dates, while Apple's invitations are expected to be sent during the final week of August. If that schedule remains unchanged, customers could begin purchasing the iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max around Friday, September 18. Although Apple has remained completely silent about its launch plans, this timeline closely matches the company's traditional product rollout strategy, making it one of the safest predictions surrounding the new lineup. The biggest surprise, however, is the latest pricing forecast. Earlier this year, several respected analysts believed Apple would maintain the same prices as the iPhone 17 Pro series, keeping the Pro model at around $1,099 and the Pro Max at approximately $1,199. That expectation has changed dramatically. Analyst Jeff Pu of GF Securities recently revised his estimates, suggesting that increasing production costs may force Apple to raise prices substantially. The reason is not simply higher profit margins. Advanced semiconductor manufacturing has become far more expensive, especially with TSMC's cutting-edge 2-nanometer fabrication process expected to power Apple's new A20 Pro chipset. Memory prices have also climbed due to growing demand for AA-capable hardware, while premium camera components, display technology, and modem development continue to become more expensive every year. If Apple decides to pass those costs directly to customers, buyers could be looking at a starting price that exceeds $1,400 before taxes or accessories are even considered. Despite the higher cost, the iPhone 18 Pro is expected to introduce several meaningful improvements. The centerpiece will likely be Apple's A20 Pro processor, built using TSMC's advanced 2-nanometer process. This new chip should deliver better overall performance, greater energy efficiency, and improved AI processing capabilities while consuming less battery power during demanding tasks. Although Apple delivers annual chip upgrades with every new iPhone generation, the move to a smaller manufacturing process could represent one of the largest performance jumps in recent years. Users should experience faster app launches, smoother multitasking, stronger gaming performance, and more capable machine learning features throughout the operating system. Another expected improvement is a redesigned dynamic island. Reports suggest Apple has managed to shrink its size even further, allowing more screen space while maintaining Face ID functionality. While this may seem like a relatively small visual change, it contributes to a cleaner front design and makes videos, games, and everyday browsing feel more immersive. The display itself is also rumored to receive an upgraded LTPO Plus panel, bringing even greater efficiency and smoother adaptive refresh rates. Most users may not immediately notice the difference during everyday use, But over time, the improved brightness, power management, and responsiveness could provide a noticeably better viewing experience. Photography enthusiasts may find the camera upgrades to be the most compelling reason to consider the new model. The iPhone 18 Pro is widely expected to introduce a variable aperture system, allowing the main camera lens to physically adjust how much light enters the sensor. Unlike software-based enhancements, this is a genuine hardware improvement that can dramatically improve image quality in challenging lighting conditions. In bright daylight, the camera can reduce incoming light for sharper images, while in darker environments it can open the aperture wider to capture brighter photos with reduced noise. This technology has been available on some dedicated cameras for years, and its arrival on the iPhone could significantly improve portrait photography, nighttime shots, and professional-style image control. Additional upgrades are expected across connectivity and design. Apple's second-generation C2 modem is rumored to replace the previous modem in most international markets, delivering stronger 5G reception, faster wireless performance, improved hotspot reliability, and better AirDrop transfers. Apple is also expected to introduce a new signature color called Dark Cherry, replacing the previous cosmic orange finish. While color options never affect performance, they remain one of the most visible ways Apple differentiates each annual iPhone generation and often become popular among early adopters. Perhaps the most controversial rumor involves Apple Intelligence and Siri. Apple has spent considerable time promoting its AI ambitions, but reports now suggest that some advanced Siri capabilities could eventually require a subscription rather than being included with the phone itself. If true, buyers may not only pay significantly more for the hardware, but also face recurring monthly costs to access some of the headline AI features. This possibility has sparked widespread debate among Apple fans, many of whom expected these improvements to arrive as standard software updates rather than premium services. Although nothing has been officially confirmed, the prospect of paying extra for advanced Siri functionality has become one of the most discussed aspects of the upcoming release. When considering whether to upgrade, the decision largely depends on your current device. Owners of an iPhone 16 Pro or iPhone 17 Pro are unlikely to experience enough day-to-day improvements to justify spending close to $1,400 on a replacement. Performance gains, camera enhancements, and display refinements are certainly welcome, but they may not dramatically change the overall user experience for someone already using a recent flagship. On the other hand, users with an iPhone 13 or older could benefit from substantial improvements in speed, battery life, photography, display quality, and software capabilities. Even so, many shoppers may find better value by purchasing the iPhone 17 Pro after the new lineup launches, as retailers typically discount previous generation models to clear inventory. That strategy provides flagship performance, an outstanding camera system, and years of software support at a much more attractive price, making it an appealing alternative for buyers who want premium features without paying Apple's newest premium price.